Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all 7 days Indian weight loss challenge to help you lose 5 kgs in 7 days very easily. Now recently my lots of clients asked a diet plan where they can lose approximately 5 kgs very quickly with the challenge, and this was their result, and so can you. If you want your personalized or customized diet plan for weight loss, you can always mail me at eatmoreloosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, which is 6284306822. And we'll be starting your weight loss transformation journey with me and begin the transformation happening. So without any delay, let's get started with 7 days weight loss challenge to help you lose 5 kgs in 7 days very easily. But before we begin, we have some rules that we'll be following throughout these 7 days to achieve the desired results. First is drink 2.5 to 3 liters of water every single day without any fail. It's a mandatory thing to keep your hydration on point and to help you flush out all the bad toxins from your body very quickly. And for 7 days, we'll be avoiding any kind of sugar, fried food, packaged snacks or alcohol. Use 1 to 2 teaspoons of ghee or olive oil per day only, not more than that at all for cooking or for food preparation. We'll be only using whole grains, brown rice, millets, oats and multigrain attas. And make sure to complete your 30 to 45 minutes of walk per day no matter what happens, or do a light exercise or yoga, but make sure to keep your body in a dynamic state and keep it moving. And now let's begin with our 7 days of weight loss challenge diet plan. Starting with the early morning drink. Empty stomach on waking up. Early morning drink is very mandatory to help you diuretic water to flush out all the bad toxins and bloating and water retention in the morning itself. First thing that you can have is warm water with added half a lemon squeezed plus pinch of cinnamon powder. Now this basically helps your body to activate in the morning itself, detoxify, and also to reduce the appetite or sugar cravings of any kind in the morning itself. If you cannot have this, then you can always replace this with normal simple ACV water, that is basically adding 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar in 1 glass of lukewarm water. This basically helps your body to balance its pH levels, avoid any kind of blood sugar spikes when it comes to your food intake, and great for weight loss. And now let's proceed towards our breakfast options for this challenge. The first option that you can have is oats porridge with milk. Yes, basically oatmeal with fruits. Now this works amazingly well for all my clients to help them kill their sugar cravings of any kind, because fruits in the morning really helps your body to reduce the sugar cravings of the entire day. So you can have my complete recipe of oatmeal with fruits is already shared on my channel, which requires very minimal ingredients and is super convenient and super yummy to have. Second option is, if you cannot have this because of any reason, then you can always replace it with chia pudding. All I've done here is soak 1/4 cup of chia seeds in approximately 200 ml of milk for approximately 2 hours. You can also soak it overnight. Mix it well and your chia pudding is ready. Refrigerate it for more chilliness, and trust me, this is super convenient to even carry along with you for your breakfast, in your lunch, for your office or for your schools. You can always top it up with lots and lots of fruits of your own choice like I am doing here, and your tasty, healthy omega-3 fatty acids rich meal is ready. And third recipe is for all of those who want something savory in their breakfast no matter what happens. So you can always have either 2 oats chila or you can have 2 moong dal chila in place of your these options. Both of them are very convenient options for low carbs and for savory options for breakfast, and they are great for fiber boost as well. Both the recipes are already shared on my channel, which requires very minimal ingredients. You can also load these up with lots and lots of vegetable choices of your own, and you're good to go to have your tasty and delicious breakfast options. Along with that, you can have a cup of green tea or black coffee if you like having it so, and make sure to load your chilas with lots and lots of vegetables for good fiber. And now let's proceed towards our mid-morning snack option, which comes between our breakfast and lunch time. Feeling hunger pangs during this time is a very common aspect, so you can always indulge yourself into something very warming in nature, which also helps with your antioxidant levels and is great for weight loss. The first option is you can have a cup of freshly brewed green tea or black coffee if you like having it so during this time. Make sure to add half a lemon squeeze to these teas. It really boosts your detoxification properties and great for weight loss. Along with that, you can have 1 fruit of your own choice, be it any seasonal fruit. You can also have half a banana during this time, or you can have 1 apple, or you can have 1 orange as per your own choice. If you don't like having these options, then you can always have 1 glass of fresh coconut water as well, only if it's locally sourced. Do not have any kind of packaged food during this time. Now we'll proceed towards our lunch options for this 7 days of weight loss challenge. I'll be giving you three options here that work amazingly well for weight loss, fat loss, and to keep you satiated for good time of your entire day as well. So the first option for lunch would be you can have 2 to 3 idlis during this time along with a bowl of vegetable sambar and plus coconut chutney. Now this wholesome meal really helps you with keeping you fuller for the good time of your day, and also fermented food is really amazing for PCOD, PCOS, thyroid and diabetes as well. So you can have 2 fresh idlis. You can even use multigrain flour for these idlis, or you can also use ragi flour, or you can also prepare these idlis with rava as well, as per your own choice. You can have 3 idlis of good size. Along with that, you can have vegetable sambar plus coconut chutney for good amount of fiber intake as well. Second option would be if you cannot have this because of any so reason and you like having rice during your lunch. So you can have approximately 100 grams of cooked brown rice. I have shared the complete recipe here of how I cook brown rice in a very easy manner, and it's very healthy as well. So you can try having 100 grams of cooked brown rice along with any curry, be it egg curry, chicken curry, fish curry or paneer curry, or you can even have it along with rajma, white chana, black chana, whatever is freshly prepared at your home. Along with that, you can have good full bowl of salad and curd for probiotics. Now this wholesome meal really is great for your weight loss, for balanced nutrition, and keeps you fuller for the longer time of the day as well. And now the third option is for all of those who are roti lovers, who cannot skip roti during their lunch or at least have once a day no matter what happens. So you can have multigrain roti. A lot of recipes of weight loss roti are already shared on my channel, which are very healthy in nature, and you can have them every single day as well, and they are weight loss oriented. Along with that, you can have any homemade green sabzi or paneer sabzi or soya sabzi or any curry sabzi, whatever is prepared at your home. Make sure to have along with that good full bowl of salad and curd for probiotics, and therefore your balanced nutrition meal is ready. Now we'll proceed towards our mid-evening snack option, which comes between our lunch and dinner time. For this, I'll be giving you a herbal tea to prepare. So you can simply prepare this fat color drink, which is basically made of ajwain or jeera and plus cinnamon and plus a squeeze of lemon as well. Now this wholesome drink is definitely going to work on your belly fat area and works amazingly well for fat loss. So do try out and let me know in the comment section below how you felt about this. Along with that, you can have 20 grams of roasted makhana, but no salt over it at all of any kind. And plus you can have 5 soaked almonds and 2 walnuts along with it for brain development health as well. And now we'll proceed towards our dinner options for this diet plan, where I'll be giving you 3 options you can have on alternate basis and great for weight loss as well. Dinner will keep low in carbohydrates and high in protein. So the first option for you is to have paneer stir fry. The complete recipe is already shared on my channel, which requires very minimal ingredients, but as healthy and has high protein and high fiber this recipe can get is it possible. So you can grill as much vegetables as you can. I'm adding here lots and lots of green vegetables like broccoli, mushrooms you can add, bell peppers, whatever is seasonally available at your place. Along with that, you can have grilled paneer as well. So I'm grilling both of these side by side, and for dressing I'm just adding 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt over this, and it really serves amazingly well as a wholesome dish. So do try out these recipes and let me know in the comment section below how you felt about this. Now second option is you can have moong dal soup. The complete recipe is already shared on my channel, which requires very minimal ingredients and is super easy to prepare as well. In a pan, I'm just adding a little bit of olive oil. You can even use ghee over it. Along with that, I'm adding some onions, some carrots, piece of ginger. Along with that, I'll be adding 1 green chili whole. Along with that, I'm adding here pinch of salt and black pepper powder. This is approximately half a cup soaked moong dal. Along with that, I'm adding here some dhania leaves, coriander leaves for freshness, and along with that some water for the consistency. Whistling it up for 2 minutes and your soup is ready. All I've done here is just simply blend this soup, and you can have this soup in as easy manner as possible. Now this whole recipe is very easy to prepare, so you can have it along with your stir fry vegetables or along with some grilled paneer if you like having it, so you can have it simply as well, and your tasty and delicious recipe is ready of moong dal soup. And now we'll proceed towards our third option for this dinner option for 7 days of weight loss challenge, for which you can have these zucchini carrot fritters, or basically zucchini carrot pancakes as I like to call them. The complete recipe is already shared on my channel, which requires very minimal ingredients. Just simply zucchini and carrot. Just grate them well, squeeze all the water excess out of it, use a little bit of besan for the binding. Along with that, you can even add some chopped onions or vegetables of your own choice any. Prepare them in a pancake form or a tikki form on a non-stick pan, and you're good to go to have your homemade delicious fritters or kebabs or tikkis, whatever you want to call them. I like to prepare a short dressing with it, which is high in protein of paneer and hunkered or Greek yogurt with some black pepper powder, lemon juice and salt, and your tasty delicious high protein dressing is ready to have it along with anything. And now we'll proceed towards our bedtime drink option for this diet plan. For this, you can have either a cup of freshly brewed chamomile tea, which really helps you to sleep better at night, great for hormonal imbalances and also great for PCOD, PCOS, thyroid, and works amazingly well for immunity boosting as well. So in this winter season, do try out to have at least once a day this chamomile tea, or you can even replace it with normal ajwain jeera water in place of this. So you can always pick your choice, whatever the available option is for bedtime drink, but do not skip this drink as it can make or break your weight loss. Along with this diet plan, please make sure to consume at least 2 to 3 liters of normal room temperature water without any fail to help you with detoxification and to help you with great benefits of hydration as well. If you want your personalized or customized diet plan for weight loss, you can always mail me at eatmorelosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, which is 6284306222, or you can directly WhatsApp me on the given link in the description box below as well, and I'll be more than happy to assist you in your weight loss journey. If you like my video, please hit the like button, comment below if you have any query regarding any of the diet plans or meal recipes, and I'll be more than happy to help you in your weight loss journey. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel Eat More Lose More and hit the bell icon to be notified for all the upcoming transformation programs. And I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.